Hey everyone, my name is Leon and welcome to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so if that is what you're interested in then be sure to subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own YouTube channel banner in Photoshop. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am on Photoshop right now, and obviously the first thing you want to do is go to File, New, and just, well, put that exact amount of dimensions in 1440, that's and the resolution, and just leave the rest as it is. But I've already done that, so there we are. Now what we want to do is essentially go to, and I'm going to leave this banner template in the description. Well, obviously the link to it in the description, so make sure to get it before you actually, do anything. Photoshop. And there we are. So this is what you're met with now. Now what you want to do is go to Window, I believe it is, of View. There we are. So get rid of extras, and this is where you met with. Now I'm gonna, well, you can basically just choose whatever you want to put there. So I'm just gonna go with the, default color. And next we're gonna put something like, first of all, the text is way too small. That's perfect. Perfect size. So, my YouTube channel banner. Perfect. So obviously you want to change the way the font is. So we're going to go for italic on this. Now that looks pretty nice. Just drag it there. Perfect. Subscribe for more videos. There we are. So now what I'm gonna do is to make more sense. Put the red thing on the subscribe, as it makes sense, and essentially add whatever you want to it now. So yeah, that's essentially how you do it. Yeah. Okay everyone, so that is basically how you create your own YouTube channel banner in Photoshop. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care everyone.